Okay.
I don't know where to start.
Moi, je commence avec la viande.
Ah ouais?
Ouais, comme ça, il est en dessous.
Moi,
Enfin,
je
tu
sais
fais
pas.
comme tu veux. Hein.
Attends, mais j'ai le problème de cuillère.
Ah, il y a
Putain.
pas assez.
Alors.
Sauce.
Yes, French sauce. Guacamole.
Not French.
Famous guacamole.
Ouais.
Some red guacamole.
Okay.
Salsa.
Guacamole. Oh, le blasphème.
Yes.
Salsa. Then onions.
Mm-hmm.
And we like it, so bit more onions. The pure beef.
You want?
Yeah, you're right. And a mix of the two.
Mm.
Yellows and greens. The creme fraiche. Just everything you can fit in it.
Mm-hmm.
And then salad.
Up.
Well, it's gonna be difficult to roll.
Yeah, I'm a professional. So you start,
Mm-hmm.
then you make first one here. Moi je fais comme j'ai appris pour les tacos.
Yeah.
Bon, tu fais ça. Then you. It's. Normally
Yeah.
you stuff it inside
Wow.
and it's like kind of wrap.
Wow. It's not bad.
French tacos.
Yeah.
Mm.
Wow. You did yours good.
Well.
Now you're